What's up, guys? We're getting
Lunch? Yes, Alex, that's exactly what we were thinking of. Right, Jake?
That's right, Steph. Exactly what we were thinking.
okay. You guys are acting odd.
Odd. You know what's odd? Having hamburgers every day this week. Nobody likes hamburgers that much.
I've had it up to here with burgers.
I'm sorry, guys. I assumed we're on the same page. How do hot dogs sound?
A hot dog is just a lesser form of a burger.
Gyro?
A gyro? Nobody likes a healthy hamburger.
Well, I don't wanna.
Pizza!
Pizza.
Pizza. It's the perfect food.
You got all your major food groups.
Handheld, not unlike a burger.
But you have to share.
What's so wrong with sharing?
Yeah, we could even get individual.
Hey! If I wanted a mini pizza, I'd get a pizza pocket.
There he goes again. He's going to have a temper tantrum until he gets what he wants.
What if I told you there was a hamburger pizza?
Really?
Hey guys! Let's get tacos.